guys, it's Tiffany and welcome to my world. I am so tired, but I launched my website at 12 a.m. and I got 6 orders already. And we're packing orders today.
Today is just going to be a vlog, more of a business related vlog of my launch. I filmed some videos last night, then I deleted them because your girl was half asleep trying to launch at 12 a.m. perfect things and all that. So that's what's happening, but it is currently the 21st, my launch day. Website will be linked down below, but guys, I don't know what I was expecting. I literally was on the phone with my sister at 12 a.m. telling her I don't know what's gonna happen. What if people don't like this? What if people look at my site and they're like, ew, da 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 da. And I've gotten the best feedback any small business owner, starter would want to hear. Literally, I've gotten so many compliments on how I mentioned the Black Lives Matter on my site, the message from the CEO. And guys, I'm freaking in love with all of you. Where did you come from? Most of these people don't even know me, so I'm just oh my gosh. And I know my dad is Daddy Day as well. It's Father's Day, and I'm gonna go see him later, so I put him in a vlog if he feels like being in it. But I know my dad's I sent your link to the whole world. Really supportive, whether it's investing in my business, whether it's sharing stuff. I say, hey, share this. He's always just been like that, and I really hope you guys can hear me over the wind. It's supposed to thunderstorm later, and it's Father's Day, which isn't fun, but I hope you guys can hear. But basically, that's what's going on with that. I launched at 12 a.m. last night. I already have 4 orders. I did know all 4 people, and I'm surprised. Homegirl Jada, shout out to you. First off, Gigi, my sis, she was the first person to order. We were literally on the phone, and I'm just telling her about different products and stuff. If you haven't checked out the Gigi lip gloss, go check it out. But I'm literally just sitting there telling her about my products and how nervous I am, and she said, ooh, then I'm just okay, whatever, she be making noises. But turns out she made an order while we were on the phone, first person to order, and I was so excited, guys. It's just mind-blowing to me that people want to buy things that I make myself, because it don't feel like work when I'm making it. It feels like fun because I'm taking my time. It's dedication. Literally, that's all it is. Jada, when I was talking about her, she spent over $40, guys. So she's the first person to get free shipping. $40 though. I told Jada before I even launched, girl, okay, da da da, I haven't launched yet, you for sure want to buy, I'll just drop it off to you before my site launch. But homegirl didn't listen. She still went and spent $40 online. So she qualifies for free shipping anyway, but free shipping is when you spend over $34.99. So there's that. And I did link PayPal and everything like that to my website, because some people feel that's the safest form, especially if you're ordering from somewhere you don't really know. Even though some people may know me, there's a lot of people who might check out my site and be like, I don't even know this girl, I don't want to put my card on here. But I bet you won't regret it. Just getting thank you cards. I'm grabbing my husband breakfast because he's been so supportive. That's my husband. I've been telling some of the girls I work with about it and stuff, and I have some people like Larsa, Christina. I'm pretty sure they won't care if I mention them. They probably don't even have me on YouTube, but they've been really sweet, especially Christina. She is so supportive. She's like, girl, let me follow all your pages. Followed every single Instagram page I have, and if you know me, you know I got a lot. She added me on TikTok. She was talking about my products, how she liked them and stuff. So I'm just I love the fam support from my work fam. So it's so appreciated. Yeah, guys, I guess I'll just get back to you later. Let me be a safe driver, because I'll be looking at myself with the eye. I just got the goods from Burger King. I'm out of Target. Literally went in there to get some cute thank you cards for the first 10 orders, because they're going to have a cute little promotion for them because they were the first to shop with me. I mentioned that I'm going to be sending out orders today or tomorrow morning. Might do deliveries today. I don't know. But now I've gotten 8 orders in total. When I had 4 last night, 6 this morning, and 2 more today. I'm so excited that I'm getting sales. I'm going to go now, and I will talk to you guys when I'm in and settled and happy. Hey guys, it is Tiffany, and time I talked to y'all, I was getting breakfast in Target, and now we have 9 orders to fill within my first day, first few hours. I'm not gonna say exactly how much I made, but we've had 9 orders. I've never done this, so I'm actually gonna go in the other room and grab my laptop and go from there. My first 10 orders, I got these thank you cards, and they're just blank note cards that I got from Target, and I'm gonna put like a handwritten message on for the first 10 customers, and basically like they'll get a certain deal promotion for them for being the first 10 people to make the order. So we have 1 more of those to make. Here are they. Here are they. Here they are. They look like that. So let me go grab the freaking computer and I'll be back. Let's go to my Shopify and let's go to home and let's reload this because it says I have a few orders. It says 9 orders to fulfill. And let me just grab my sanitizer. So we got 9 orders. Let me change it this way so y'all don't see everything. We have Gianna, Leasia, Jada, Stephanie, Nisha, Kanela, Leah, Emerald, and Liberty. And some of these are local delivery and some of these are not local delivery. So that's with that. I do have local delivery set up on my website, so if they live in a certain radius, like if they spend over like $10, they'll get a local delivery for free. And we have not had 1 order under $10. The cheapest order I've had has been $14.29. So there's my husband. So we're just gonna grab their items. So for our first local delivery, we have Liberty, who is getting I have these sticky notes. I'm gonna write the handwritten messages last, but we have Liberty, and Liberty wanted strawberry rosé and a unicorn kisses. So for local deliveries, if they have smaller items like probably just glosses and scrubs, I have these cute little gift bags in so 4 different styles. And then if they have bigger things, I got these gift bags from Target, and then I also got these little organza bags to try to keep everything grouped together. This is how it looks before. So she has the unicorn kisses body spray, and then she has strawberry rosé lip oil. Looks like this. So these are her 2 items. Let's give her black with white and put some cute pink sparkle on it. So I got the pink one if I put this stuff in the basic bag. So I think I actually want to grab the organza bags. Let's see. The organza bags are 4x6, but they look smaller. So let's see what fits in here. I never tried to fit these in here, so. Oh no, that's too big. Oh no, it's cute. It's fine. I think it'll be fine. So we're just gonna put that in there. Then put the lip oil. Even though the bottle kind of sticks out a bit, it's like okay. So her items are all in there, caps secured and everything. And we're just gonna grab one of these. Let's just do this one. Grab one of these because it's a local, so she did a little baggie. Set her stuff on there. I want to see how this looks though, guys. Not gonna lie. Let's see. So here's Liberty. I'm just gonna put a sticky note. Actually, we'll go right there. Let's see these bags. I'm like learning, guys, so I just have to see what stuff I like with what. Okay. What are these bags? Oops. Yeah, I think I should just put it in there. So I'm gonna grab this. throw it in here. And then just put some creaser paper, some of the pink tape, and some lid. Do I have tissue paper? I don't remember that. So just put a little bit of the crinkle, a little bit of the pink, and I'm gonna throw thank you cards in each one. And this is Liberty Bonus. This one is first says mailbox one. So let's see. So maybe we should stick hers in here. And hers, like there's delivery instructions, and she says to just put it in the mailbox. So I think maybe. Cute and like that for hers. Oh, emerald, and she has 4 items. So she has unicorn kisses, strawberry shortcake, goddess, and strawberry rose. So unicorn kisses, that's so funny. Like I did not think that many people would like unicorn kisses. So looks like that. Unicorn kisses, goddess, and then a strawberry rose lip oil. So she has all of these. So she has 2 of the body sprays. So goddess and unicorn kisses. And we'll just grab our mini organza bag. I think I have these cute little baby ones. I'm gonna stick that in there. So this is emerald. And I'm just gonna stick this on here. I'm gonna lay out the orders over here. That's it for her. And let's go to Leah. Leah is a local delivery, and she ordered strawberry rosé, sugar cookie, cinnamon sugar. So she has a strawberry rosé. She has sugar cookie and cinnamon sugar lip gloss. But there's a card in there.
Oh, it's a card in there. Oh. Here we go.
You'll love it.
You being in the great outdoors, where you can fart, where you can fart in peace. Happy Father's Day. I know you don't do holidays, but I love and appreciate you and thought. You funny. You crazy. You need help, man.
Yo, I got a lip scrub.
But smell that
for
one.
my crusty ass lips.
It smells so good. You can eat it too. I might have
You be eating it?
sometimes.
Oh, you can't eat that, y'all.
You didn't.
Trick it, I'm just dicking bitches down, head down, popped it.
So guys, I took my hair out because I am tired and pooped. The orders was the last thing you see me fulfilling. I had like 8 at the time. It is 8:30 p.m. and I ended up, I know my hair looks crazy, it's okay. Ended up getting 16 orders in total and 10 like actual ships. And I just have one more to fulfill out of the 16. And yeah, like today's been a good day. Good launch day. So guys, I am done filling those orders, and I had to remake Pucker Up and GG, and just filled them like not too long ago, rinsed them off, and now I'm going to actually label them and be done with that, because like all sold out of Gigi. There's no more left of Gigi, so now there should be 8 of them. And then Pucker Up, excuse me, I decided to make some more of those because those are sold out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you are looking to start a business, just go for it and start. I am pooped and I have one more order to fill because one of them was Pucker Up. And that's the end of this video, guys. I had a successful launch day within 16 orders, and that's good for me because looking at Shopify saying like you might get 1 order in the first month, it's like, but it's all about networking and people and working relationships. So thank you guys for everything, and have a good rest of your evening. I might update you if anyone decides to order late. Maybe, maybe not. Have a good night. Bye.